gotta go long.
All right, yeah. So I did cram a lot into this, guys. I'm sorry. I'm gonna run through this. I'm already nervous, so yeah, let's shake it off. But yeah, so bear with me, guys. I just cram a lot into this, even though I shouldn't have. But this is a little bit about me. This is my family. I'm a family of 5. But I like to garden. I like to cook. A lot of you guys know that. If I can do farm to plate, I will. If you guys want to hire me for a catering session, that's fine. It'd be my first, but I'll do it. I like to be outdoors, fishing, hunting, clays, golfing. You guys know that. Threw up some updated photos there. But when I golf, I usually just hike through the woods looking for my mom. Next one. I did break my arm. I shattered my elbow. Got 17 screws, 2 plates in there. I utilize what I sell. These are updated photos for you guys. My eldest Isaac has braces now. He's doing the brace face nowadays. He loves that. And then I got a hockey player now for my middle child. She's adorable and a diva. And then my adorable little diva here, my little smarty pants. She's adorable in every little way, and she's just so smart. And of course, my beautiful wife Ariel. Moving on. Welcome to AG Insurance. Welcome to Group Health Insurance with AG Insurance. All right, next one. Why do we need health insurance? Go to the next one. Well, it's a transfer of risk to avoid catastrophic financial loss, basically. Next one. In case you guys are daredevils, like me. Next one. Or maybe you're a frequent flyer in the hospital system.
Like you.
Like me. This could cost you a bunch of money if you don't have the right plan in place. Next one. AG Insurance gives you guys the right pieces to make the right moves. Next one. We're going to have a discovery meeting to find out what's the best move for you guys. How many employees do you have? What kind of plans do we need to implement? HSAs, FRAs, PPOs, HMOs, etc. What's the goal? What are we trying to do with this? We're trying to get butts and seats to hold top talent for retention, or we want to just kind of create some value into our company. Next one. Who's a good referral for me? Anybody, any company. It takes 2 to tango. However, we do specialize in groups about 100, okay? That's where we're a well-oiled machine. Next, why do companies like doing business with us? It's because we give them that easy button. We're going to try to take as much off their plate as possible. We're going to handle compliance issues and stuff like that for them. We're also going to have a face-to-face enrollment with all the employees to help them understand the benefits that the company is providing to them, and maybe talk through some situations that they're going through. We're also going to have an annual renewal meeting to go over the renewal to see if it has in fact gone that way. If that's the case, we're pivoting, we're gonna go shopping. Next. Which one's right for you? Fully insured or level funded? We're gonna find that out. Sorry. So fully insured, most of you guys are on fully insured products. UHC, United Healthcare, does have a fully insured product. However, it's very expensive. It's not very competitive. But Blue Cross Blue Shield, everybody loves that one. They're the 10-ton gorilla in the room. They pay the claims, they do everything for you, they take care of the admin stuff. And then Bader, Scott & White, they are a great option as well. You just need to be in their network. If you're not in their network, you'll be utilizing their out-of-network PPO, which is basically UHC blanket, okay? It's a UHC network. But one more, go back a little bit.
Sorry.
It's okay. This is a mess. But so the fully insured market is a set it, forget it kind of mentality. You don't have to worry about it. That's what people really like about it. It's just stable. There's no work that goes into it. Also, maybe your clientele or your workforce has a lot of high risk things. Maybe they're that frequent flyer in the hospital system. They will not work well for a level funded product, okay? The rates are based on the region utilization. No, not your group, but the area to which you're in. So it's not your fault, but it is going to go up about 8 to 12% every single year, no matter what. Next. So this is a network area for Bader, Scott & White. If you're in the blue, you're in the clear. If you're in the gray, you're going to go with the Access PPO. It's more expensive, but if we can get into the Premier network, it's their smaller one, but it's still a great one. None of these need referrals to go see a specialist, which is really attractive to some people. There's 4,900 doctors in the Premier network and 6,500 in their bigger network, the Plus network. That's not a big difference, okay? So your doctor might be in network, and if not, just move. Sometimes that's pulling teeth, I get it. But next, this is just a Bader, Scott & White layout. What I look at every day, these are all the same plans. I just wanted to show you guys that this is, they're more affordable at Premier, they're Plus HMO, mid-tier, and then they're PPO Plus, so Plus and Plus. So same network, just allows you to unlock the out-of-network benefits, okay? Out-of-network benefits, they are capped with a few carriers. Blue Cross, I wanted to show you here in a second, went away with the cap. So go to the next one. This one's about $25,000 in cap, but Blue Cross now is unlimited. So that's fun. So your deductible is $7,300 in the PPO realm. So you're gonna be paying cash price up until $7,300, and then your co-insurance is 50%. So they're gonna be sharing the cost with you 50-50 until you're all better, because there's no cap, it's unlimited. Okay, so that's.
It's not good, is it?
No.
Okay.
No, and it's a fee, not fee scheduled. It's usually Medicare rates. So try to stay out of PPO and out of networks at all costs. Not PPO, but out of networks. Level funding. Level funding is a great opportunity if it's right for you. Aetna is a big one. United Healthcare is probably bigger. They're the most affordable level funded carrier. If you have a UHC product, you're probably on a level funded product. So this is for relatively healthy groups. You're going to be, the rates and renewals are based off of how healthy your group is. So if you have a young, healthy group, maybe this is a great option for you. The rates will stay stagnant and maybe even get a surplus back. Well, we like money back. With fully insured products, it's all baked in and you won't see any of that. You just pay your money you got. So potential surplus, but there is risk that comes with this level funding product. If maybe you're in a plan that has some gaps, or maybe they're not going to cover it, guess what? They're coming to the employer for it. So that's something big. So you could be on the hook for some more money. You are going to have to file your own PCORI fees every July, and also your 1095s in November. So a little extra hoops to jump through to get to this. Going next. This is a diagram to show you guys what your money's going into each month of your premium pays. So level funded. It's going to go to your actual claims, what you're going to be claiming, but then also your stop loss. That stop loss over $7,300 or whatnot, that's what they're going to be taking care of that bill. And that's what that's going to pay for. Also your admin expenses. Now your potential savings, maybe your group runs well that year and you get that surplus back. Yeehaw. But again, fully insured, you're just going to pay your money. They're just going to keep all the savings and you just turn and burn. This is just a diagram to show you the level fully insured product versus level insured, level funded product. About $330 difference there, same plan. Next. So another thing I want to talk to you guys today about is Fresh Bennies. I referred to this a little bit earlier. Fresh Bennies is a huge player in the level funding realm to help keep people from making claims into their bucket, to keep their renewals low, okay? So this is a telemedicine service to, talk to a doctor for simple things like, hey, I got strep throat. Doctor's gonna be like, all right, tell me the symptoms. Okay, yep, that's right. I'm gonna send you a prescription to the nearest pharmacy. Where do you want it? Bang, all right, there. So you don't have to go to the doctor to make a claim there. They're also, there you go. They also came out with behavioral health, free behavioral health for like $5 extra. That's big. So from 2023 to 2025, there's been a 45% increase in the need for therapy. And so it's been a big utilization. So for $5 more, you get it for free. Next one, and they also have advocacy button where you might be able to find a cheaper MRI here and there or something. So this is what I was referring to earlier. I'm moving fast, I'm sorry. The employer paid options, only employer paid, cannot be an individual policy product, but it's $0 for 95% of the top 200 medications, guys. They just came out with this yesterday. Well, it's going effective 10/1, so it's not even effective yet. But this is not going to replace your GLP-1s and your specialty drugs. That's not going to count for it. But it's going to be your simple stuff, amoxicillin and antidepressants and stuff like that. It's going to help self-funded or level-funded policies help their renewals stay stagnant or better. Next. This is Aetna's. These are illustrated rates because they're not shelf rates or not actual rates. We're going to have to do an IMQ, individual medical questionnaire, to make sure they're going to assess the risk of the group and make sure they want the group. If they don't want you, they're going to deny you or make it really expensive. Now they did come out with a big thing called Gateway, where 5 to 50 employees, you just fill out a census, send it in, they spit out rates. Bang! It's like fully insured in that aspect. So that's really nice. 1 to 5 still got to do IMQs, $15 for IMQs. Next. Ancillary products. This is those sprinkles on top to bring the healthcare full circle. Next. So this is like Colonial, Unum, Aflac. Renaissance is great, but don't let it beep on me, Doug. And so this is going to cover like accidents, cancer stuff, and whatnot. Go ahead. And these are just real good complements to the medical policy to help pay you money to pay for those things that aren't paid for me. The next one. how do we keep all of this together? Employee Navigator. It's our single sign-on platform where you can plug all of your carriers into, next one, and they will all talk to all the carriers for you. So instead of having to hire and fire in each carrier, you can just tell the system to do it and they'll communicate it to all of them. So that's an easy button. Next one. These are some of our clients here that we currently take care of. Next one. And this is our quote today. Cast all your anxiety on him because he cares for you. 1 Peter 5:7, which actually correlates to Hakuna Matata.